Okay, here we go. This is how you make a payment on the IRS website. You go to pay and you go to direct pay with bank account. You could pay with a credit card, but you're going to get charged fees. So if you don't have to, I would say don't do that and just pay with a bank account. Now you're going to pay personal tax payments. This is if you have an LLC, if you have an S corp, because all the business income flows through to your personal tax return. So you're going to make your taxes, you're going to pay your taxes through your personal. The only reason you would select business tax payments is if you have a C corporation, because a C corps are totally separate business entities and they pay their own taxes. So this is for C corps and this is for LLCs, S corps. So we're going to pay and we're going to make a payment. And here we want to select the 1040 income tax. And because we're making a payment, because we're filing an extension, we're going to choose extension. If you were doing your quarterly estimates, you would select estimated tax. But for this purpose, we're going to do extension. It's either extension, estimated tax, or balance due. These top three are the most used. So we'll choose extension, and this is going to be for the 2025 tax period. And we've chosen 1040, extension, 2025. This is correct. All right, now we verify our identity. We have to look at our last year's tax return and just enter this info to take us to the step 3. So I'm going to pause the video so that we can go to the step 3. All right, it knows who I am, so now I can make this payment. So let's say we're going to do 2,000 here. We enter today's date. Then we're going to put in our bank info and our email address. I will definitely say put your email address in here so that you get sent an email confirmation. So I'm going to pause the video again and enter my info. All right, we are on step 4. It's just going to give this little disclosure authorization. You agree. And so now this is the review page. You review that it's for the 1040, it's an extension, 2025, we're paying this amount on this day. We've got our bank info, it's a checking account. I want my email confirmation. And then we just put our name and our last name and our social, and we select I accept and we submit. And this last step is the confirmation. And you also want to print that out. But I'm not going to do it because I don't want to make this payment. But this would be the last step, is the confirmation. So that is it. That's all you have to do to make a payment. Now, what I would also say is if you wanted to, I'm just going to go back. If you wanted to, you could also create an account with the IRS. And you could also make a payment that way. You can get transcripts. You can check on things, and you just have to create an account with id.me, and they verify your identity that way, and then you can log in with your IRS account. So that's another option too, but the quick, easy way is just go here, pay, direct pay, and that's how you do it. Okay, hope this is helpful.